shall survive. To the darkest clouds of a kitchen stove alive. That's my nature, we've passed down the generations while debating up in barbershops. Young, slung, hung here, shorter than nigga.